Your employer has provided you with a corporate wellness scoring assessment. What is it? What happens during the assessment? Is my data private? This section explains the process and answers your questions. What is it? Our wellness scoring is a 1-hour session where we take some medical readings from you and generate a report for you that explains your health. It provides you with a tailored action plan to help you improve and maintain your health score. Is it compulsory? No, it is not. How long does it take? 1 hour. Where does it take place? Your employer will either provide a private meeting room, usually on site, or book you into one of our clinics. Does my employer see my health data? No. Your personal health data is private and not shared with anyone. We do, however, provide your employer with anonymized aggregate data to answer the question, how healthy are my staff overall? This does not identify you or your data. We will need you to provide samples on the morning of your assessment. It needs to be done as soon as you wake up and before you clean your teeth. Instructions and a video will be provided in the sample bottle envelope that will either be sent to your home address or delivered to you by your employer. On the day of your assessment, there are some things you need to be aware of. You will need to have completed some pre-assessment questions by visiting our online portal. On the morning of your assessment, as soon as you wake up, you will need to produce some samples of urine and saliva. You will need to fast for 4 hours before your assessment. This means no food or drink, other than water, to be consumed 4 hours before we assess you. Please wear loose-fit clothing. Ladies, may we suggest wearing separates rather than a dress or single-piece garment. Please do not wear tights. Gentlemen, a short-sleeved shirt or t-shirt is preferable to a formal shirt. If you have not received your sample bottles or have not received details of your appointment, please contact your HR department or contact Soza Health. Your health assessment has 8 tests to be completed. These will take a total of about 35 minutes to run. Once we have collected the data from all the tests, we will then enter the data into our cloud-based system. Once the data is entered, it will take 3 minutes to compute and generate your report. Your data is secure, and your data remains encrypted and confidential. You have full privacy and GDPR protection. When we have generated your report, we will take you through it. We will give you an overall health score, scoring you out of 100. 70 is an A grade. If you score 40 and below, we will be guiding you to preventative health steps that you need to take to get your health back on track. We will then drill into the detail and explore with you the findings of the report. We will highlight the personalized guidance that the report will give you. We will also tell you how stressed you are and whether your body is handling that stress. The good news is that your body expects some stress, and you normally have reserves to handle it. The bad news is that if your reserves are low, stress then starts to impact your health in a similar way to bad diet. Your Soza report will explain how to manage stress. From deep breathing and other rest and relaxation exercises, we will give you choices that, if followed, will help improve your reserves and improve your health. If you do have a bad score, please don't worry. We will explain why and how it came about. If necessary, we will signpost you to primary healthcare services. Your doctor is the best person to help you if you are ill. Please remember that Soza is a preventative health system. It is also an early warning system. If we direct you to a doctor, it is in your best interest to make that appointment. As doctors will tell you, early diagnosis often leads to much better outcomes. Soza will explain to you that your health depends on what we eat and drink, the environment that we live in, and the exercise that you take. The wrong food, or a stressful environment, or both, will eventually lead to ill health. It is therefore vital that we understand how the body works, and how to fuel it correctly. Where do you go to get that information? The good news is that Soza have produced an app that puts in place the education, diet, and exercise information that you need. In addition to your personalized health report, the app provides additional content. We have searched for and collated content that explains concepts in simple language and puts everything into bite-sized chunks. In the app you will find book reviews, exercise ideas, and food recipes. We also have videos to explain how your body works. For UK users, we also link into the NHS digital services, providing you access to further health resources. Search for Soza Health on the mobile app stores. We also have apps for Windows, Macs, and Android TV. The app is free. Scan the QR codes on screen to download the app. You can also view your health report in the app once your health assessment is finished. That's it for now. Thank you for choosing Soza Health, and we look forward to seeing you on the day of your Soza Health assessment.